Good morning. We're back at it. I just booted up. It's early in the morning. I told him, let's work on the fit. So the fish tweak tool. That's what we call it. Fit is a project and so on. Tell me the path. He'll figure it out. I just told him in the glossary, right? So we've put a glossary there that I need to look from time to time. Okay, what is he talking about? And then he finds basically what it is. And if it doesn't, I say, look at the glossary. Like now, right? Check your glossary. So let's work some more. The fish tweak tool was born yesterday, so to speak, right? Released yesterday to the public. And there are more stages, milestones we need to do. All right. What is our next step? Is a good question. What is our next milestone? Next M. All good. He'll figure it out. My assistant here. I have a master to do as well, as you see. Yes, in the meantime, it will be stale. He's getting there. He's also waking up. M1, prompt, theme, gallery, 3, secondary knobs, 4 presets. We're at 5, if not already finished. Let's see. 5 is already done. Bob the fish, true. There's something to flag. Yeah. We have a master to do and a master to do done, right? It's a good idea to keep files small. The things he needs to read, everything he reads costs money, right? So if things are completed, then you move it to done and it doesn't read it anymore. Abbreviations editor is generally unique. Fish abbreviations have no GUI anywhere, unlike themes prompts which overlap. Let me first see what give the complete overview. Is this the end? Or does it go on to 6, 7, 8, 9? At some point in time, I asked him, I like tables, right? Order. So that's why he gives me now these tables. He wants to get rid of the lines from the to-do. Let him do it because he's getting frustrated. He wants to get it out of his system there. Fine. So the branded Kiro fish theme set, we've done that, I think. Extra palette, escape hatch, base 16 fish, a VTE live preview pane, render the prompt live. I have not missed it. actually, because we have now this overview. Abbreviations editor. My pick for most unique. No GUI exists anywhere for fish abbreviations. Okay. In the meantime, he is changing the to-do. Control-Shift-C and Control-Shift-V. What is this alert? These are all my to-dos. It's a deferred item on the FTT list. Right, abra things. An alias is opaque. You type GCO, fish runs, git check out. But your history shows GCO. Abbreviation expands in line. You type, press enter. Fish rewrites it on screen to the full before running. So your history, your editing, and what you see are the real commands. Okay. Why is the most differentiated of the 4 deferred items? There is no GUI anywhere. Not in fish config browse, not upstream, not in any other distro tool. For managing abbreviations, themes, prompts, colors all overlap. Okay. And abbreviation editor will be generally unique. All right. Let's go for it. Let's build the abbreviations editor. And he's there again with this big tier task, right? So shift, tab, plan mode on, down here. Okay, abbreviations. The abra stuff. Control H, no, not Control H, Y. Yeah, let's keep Control H and then go here. We have fish in here. All right. What do we have now? We have themes that's empty, functions that has a lot of stuff. We have convd, auto pair, the 4 of them, and completions. Let's see what this is. All right. Okay. Mm-hmm. All right. Having a look at our system, right? Fine. Close all files. And in the meantime, here's a strong picture already. That's cool. Abra A. I was thinking though, Control B.